There is one Looksmaxxing tip that I think a lot of people miss. I think diet is the most important part for Looksmaxxing for a number of reasons. And I think the ketogenic diet is the best Looksmaxxing diet there is for a number of reasons that I'm going to get into. But first, I want to show you how I figured this out. So when I first moved to New York, I was working for a moving company, and in between moving jobs, I got scouted by a modeling agency, like one of the biggest modeling agencies. And I met the scout, and he gave me his card and said, yo, I need you to go to this casting right now. Tell him I sent you. Show him my card. I was like, right now? I was like, yeah, go right now, I'm telling you. And it was for a magazine called Vibe Magazine. And I went there and I booked that shit. Then they paid me like $500 to take pictures, and then I was in the magazine. But what they said was I was a little too big and bulky, and they needed me to slim down so I could book more jobs. And I went kind of keto that time. Because to slim down, I was eating just green vegetables and meat. Fall. Tons of green vegetables, tons of spinach, kale, salads, and meat. And I slimmed down, but also my skin cleared up. I had always struggled with acne a little bit. My skin got crazy good. And then next you know, I'm on the cover of magazines and shit. I'm getting flown out all over the world to do modeling shows, fashion shows. I walked in New York Fashion Week. And I didn't say I was doing keto at the time, but it was basically a ketogenic diet. Then I stopped doing keto when I stopped doing modeling. And I didn't do keto again for years. But then 11 years ago, I started experimenting with the ketogenic diet. The same effects started happening again. My skin cleared up. I was looking leaner. I was looking more shredded because I wasn't holding water. People say I look younger now than when I was in my early 30s. Or at least I look younger than 44. Like most people don't guess that I'm 44. And it's because of the ketogenic diet. So let me break down why I think it's the best. And I'm going to show you studies and science for everything I'm about to tell you. So first of all, the ketogenic diet has been proven to actually cure acne. If any of you guys struggle with skin issues, acne, any bullshit going on in your face, go keto for a month. That shit will clear right back up. Like I get comments like, what do you do for your skin? When I go live, I mean, what's your skincare routine? Nothing, motherfucker. I barely wash my face. I wash my face with the same shit I wash my body with. Whatever fucking soap my girl put in my bath. These other influencers be trying to sell you sauces and creams. You'll just go keto for a month. Your face will be impeccable, immaculate. And there's just like tons of studies to prove this. I could make this whole fucking video about keto and acne. There's so many studies. Because when you're on a ketogenic diet, your body doesn't have as much inflammation because your glucose is more stable. And acne is basically just inflammation. So that'll clear up your skin perfect. Like Clavicular, he says he's taking like drugs for his skin. I think he says he takes Accutane for his skin. He could have just went keto, but also it helps with wrinkles. So there's a lot of studies that show that glucose or glycogen actually degrades collagen. And when you have less collagen, you have more wrinkles. That's why people start getting wrinkles when they're older. The collagen in their skin starts to degrade. Again, when you're on a ketogenic diet, your glucose levels are super low and stable. So you don't have this excess glucose or glycogen running around your bloodstream, fucking up your collagen. Like every once in a while, I'll see somebody on the internet and they'll say they're my age, and I'll be like, oh shit. And I would like run in the mirror, like, do I look like this motherfucker? I'm like, oh no, I've been keto for 11 years. Of course I don't. If you want more hollow cheeks, the ketogenic diet will help with that. Now, I just don't have that kind of face shape. If I gain water weight, I'm gonna look like an emoji. I just got a rounder face, but it's way more rounder if I'm holding more water. Fortunately, I don't really hold water weight because the ketogenic diet actually reduces water weight, and it does a fantastic job at it. This is why I always laugh when people say, oh man, if you're on keto, you'll lose more water weight. It's just water weight. No, it's not just water weight. There's actually studies that show that the ketogenic diet worked better for fat loss than a regular diet. When protein and calories were equal, keto worked better, according to studies. But let's talk about the water weight part. If you lose water weight, you look better. If I had a bunch of water weight now, you wouldn't see my fucking abs. You wouldn't see my serratus muscles. You wouldn't see my obliques, or at least not as well if I was holding a bunch of water weight. And my face would look more like a minion. And that's important for me because I actually have just a more oval face. So I got to do everything I can to make my shit look more fucking chiseled. Again, if you go keto for a week, you will have a tighter face. Now also, there's always been this rumor that the ketogenic diet lowers testosterone. But you know, we've studied this, right? There are studies that show that the ketogenic diet actually raises testosterone. They're like studies. I don't know why these motherfuckers ignore this shit. And if you have more testosterone, well, you know what that means. You'll be able to lose fat faster and build muscle faster. Now, again, I'm on testosterone replacement therapy, but that's because I'm old. If you're smart, when you're 44, you will be on testosterone replacement therapy too, because every man's total testosterone starts to drop at age 30. I don't care how many carbs you eat. In fact, the majority of people on testosterone replacement therapy are carb eaters because Almost nobody's on keto, at least not for a prolonged time like me. I've met less than 10 people in their life who did it for this long. And I'm not saying you gotta marry this diet like me. I'm just giving you the benefits. You do whatever you want with the information. Now, there are some studies, at least in animals, that show when they put animals on the ketogenic diet, they live significantly longer and healthier lives. There are also tons of studies that show when they put animals on keto, their immune system starts to skyrocket. Now, we don't have human trials on this, but I can give you my anecdotal data. I have not had a cold in 11 years. Not the sniffles, none of that. My girl had COVID 3 times. I was kissing her in the mouth, having unprotected sex with her, eating off her plate, and I ain't even test positive for that shit. And I know I didn't test positive for shit because my son's mom would want me to take a test before I went and visited him. So I was testing myself like fucking multiple times a week. Didn't even test positive. Sleeping in the bed, having unprotected sex with a COVID victim. There was time we would be making love. We're all adults here. We would be making love, and she would stop. I wouldn't stop. I would just slow down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Slow down a little bit. Go ahead and blow your nose, baby. Because I'm a gentleman. I just slow down a little bit. She blow a nose. Then I kiss her. Probably ate some snot, some COVID snot. Still didn't even test positive. Like a fucking superhuman. My boy Jeremy, he had this big event because he runs a mastermind, a huge mastermind with like tons of entrepreneurs who make millions of dollars. 90% of the people who were at that event got COVID. Almost everybody. And I was a speaker, so I shook hands with everyone. Everyone was talking to me, face distance, didn't even test positive. I was at a super spreader event, and I shook hands with literally everyone. I'm telling you, man, my son had COVID. This brother sneezed in my mouth. We were laughing about something, and then he just sneezed, and snot flew in my mouth while he had COVID. I did not even test positive. And the reason that relates to Looksmaxxing is because if you all sick, man, you ain't Looksmaxxing, you ain't getting no bitches in the fucking hospital bed. But 90% of Looksmaxxing is just getting lean. The ketogenic diet helps you get lean. A new study came out showing that when calories and protein were equal, the ketogenic diet, the participants of the studies who were on the ketogenic diet had better results. They lost way more weight. But even if you want to ignore that study, there's tons of other studies that show that the ketogenic diet actually suppresses hunger, which makes it easier for you to stick to your diet. I mean, there's tons of studies that prove this. The ketogenic diet is like nature's Ozempic. It's nature's GLP. Now, it's not as strong as a GLP, right? Tirzepatide is way stronger. But if you don't want to take drugs or inject yourself, you can just go keto and you get similar, not the same, not as good, but you get similar results. And it'll help with cravings and your hunger. And it's safe to do long term. There are studies that show that the ketogenic diet in humans, these are human studies, that show that the ketogenic diet is safe to do long term. So I hear people say, oh, it's not something you're supposed to do long term. You don't have to do it long term. You don't have to marry it like me, but you can definitely do it long term. The data is proven. And this is a human study. In fact, the ketogenic diet was invented for children. It was invented by doctors for children. So back in 1920, it was invented for kids who had epilepsy because the pharmaceuticals at that time was too harsh on their little bodies, right? So the doctors noticed that when they had less glucose in their bloodstream and their body started to produce ketones, the ketones were actually good for your brain and actually helped heal their epilepsy. These kids stopped shaking and shit. This was the standard care for children with epilepsy for a long time until they came out with some drugs that were easier because adhering to the ketogenic diet can be difficult for a child. You're gonna tell a child he can't eat no candy. I'm gonna give my son a Kit Kat later today. And there's some studies that show that the ketogenic diet actually will help boost cognition because ketones are good for your brain. But anyway, fuck the brain shit. You here for Looksmaxxing. Your skin will be clear. You have less wrinkles. Testosterone will raise. You'll be less hungry so you can stick to your diet better. There's studies that show that when calories and protein are equal, the ketogenic diet works better. I think if you really care about Looksmaxxing, instead of smashing your face with the hammer, just go keto. Try it for a month. Bet you look better. Your skin will look immaculate. You're gonna lose more fat. You're gonna lose more water weight. Your face is gonna look more snatched. Just try it for a month. Now, here's the thing. If you want to get in the best shape of your life, remember, 90% of Looksmaxxing is actually just getting lean. If you want to get lean as possible, I got a free tool for you called the RIP Roadmap. You just put in your height, your weight, your age, and upload a photo of yourself. It'll estimate your body fat percentage and tell you how many pounds of body fat you need to actually get shredded. I'm telling you, Looksmaxxing is 90% is getting shredded. And they give you a game plan for you to do it, along with telling you what you can expect every week. It's free, links, and scripted, all right?